Boston, Massachusetts, circa 2000, eating symphony bars and Cheetos at 1 o'clock in the morning. Fast forward another 5 years, I was living on mini muffins and honey bunches of oats every morning and sometimes for dinner. Fast forward another 5 years, I got caught up in a low-carb diet that was so restrictive, it took me almost 10 years to heal from. I lived in the perpetual cycle of control, craving, and then shame. I've shared my story of sugar addiction before in this video and how finally breaking free from it had nothing to do with discipline, but finally feeling nourished on multiple levels. There's a woman I know very well. She's disciplined, she's intelligent, she's done everything right, and yet she feels low-grade emptiness, low energy, lackluster skin, and a constant tug towards sugar, snacks, and just something more. And if that's you, then this video is for you. It's not about giving something up, it's about learning a more sophisticated approach to nourishment after 40 so you can finally restore your glow instead of draining it. Deprivation doesn't make you feel refined, it puts your body in defense mode. And when you're in defense mode, how can your body truly glow? Strategic indulgence is not treating yourself, it's not cheat days, and it's definitely not losing control. It's choosing an elegant way of eating that signals safety to your body and richness to your cells. When your body feels consistently indulged, hydrated, mineralized, fed with living foods, those loud, insatiable cravings begin to lose their power. That's why a plant-based lifestyle, when done correctly, doesn't feel the slightest bit restrictive. It feels luxurious. You stop chasing pleasure through foods to fill the void because now you're living inside it. After 40, your glow isn't restored by less, it's restored by better. Better circulation, better blood sugar communication, better digestion. Your body wants to express radiance, but it needs to stop being starved of pleasure it can actually use. So what begins to shift when you stop depriving yourself and start indulging intelligently? While your energy stabilizes for one, and your skin begins to naturally reflect light, and your appetite, well, it becomes calm rather than chaotic. Here's a piece of information that most women miss, including myself. It took me many years to realize this, that nourishment is not the holy grail. It's not enough if your circulation is stagnant. In the next video of this Glow from the Inside Out 5-part series, I'm showing you why your glow gets trapped in the body and the subtle but precise ways to release it without workouts that exhaust you. Your radiance is already there. It just needs to be revealed. I'll see you in the next one.